it's Matt. Today we're going camping down to Cannon Beach, Oregon for our Thanksgiving week. So we hope you join us. It's really, really windy here. It may be a little rainy out there, but we're gonna have a good time.
How'd it go?
Good. Went really well. I mean, we were on schedule. Actually, we're about an hour behind. That seems pretty par for the course. We're ready to hit the road, have some fun at the beach.
Yay, let's go to the beach, guys.
Woo!
Let's go to the beach. Let's go. All right, we are stuck at a train right now. The train says T-Rizzle.
Drizzle.
You know, I met that guy back in high school. Now he's a professional rapper, but yeah.
Does he put out some good stuff?
You know, he lays down some fat tracks, but T-Rizzle never really took off. His buddy T-Rex, now he's huge, although his arms are small. So, like, he wanted to work the turntable, but he couldn't reach, and so he had to star in movies instead.
That's always a disappointment. Bye, T-Rizzle. It's raining cats and dogs.
And even crazier, those cats and dogs are living together in mass hysteria.
Not that.
Yep. Actually, the people that own the Goonie house turned on the rain feature to keep us away.
I'm sure they did.
Yeah.
How's everyone feeling? Good. We're almost there, ready to set up and get this camping trip started, so.
And as long as the rain stops by the time we have to set everything up, I'll be happy.
Yeah. And it probably will, because
either way,
are in Oregon. We are here officially.
Woohoo!
Cannon Beach RV Resort.
And there's a big pelican, or a puffin or something.
Oh.
Whatever it is.
We're here, guys.
Yay!
As you can see from my clothing, the rain did not stop. But we were still able to set up in no time and begin our fun. Hi, baby girl.
Let's go on the playground.
Okay, we're gonna go on a walk. Let's do a cute shot of our crew right here.
Hi.
Hi, my crew.
Hi.
How are you guys?
Good. Great.
We're gonna go get our walk on.
Yes.
So overall impressions of the campsite so far?
Oh, look at the dog.
Pretty nice. I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah. The spaces are pretty roomy, and
I feel like that'd be fun to
we got a lot of woods surrounding, and
It's good, especially like that.
It seems pretty well maintained and clean,
yeah,
I would say.
I like the paved roads. Good for bike riding. These guys have their scooters.
Oh yeah. Today is Thanksgiving, and we're camping. Happy Thanksgiving, Mama.
Happy Thanksgiving!
How are you?
Great. We started the morning eating leftover cookies from last night and watching the Thanksgiving Day parade at the beach.
Nice.
I couldn't have a better day.
Now, the reason that's allowed is because we're camping.
Yes.
What have we been engaged in this morning?
The Thanksgiving parade.
We actually have cable here at the campsite, and we're watching the Thanksgiving parade. And what did this little one see?
What did you see?
I just see a Ryan's World balloon.
A Ryan's World balloon? Is that even allowed?
It says Ryan on it.
Oh my goodness, that is so cool. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. We're having a good time. And today looks rainy, but we're going to make the most of it because we have, look at this. That's called a roof. It's not a tent. So
No, it's not.
that makes rain null and void. It is Thanksgiving evening. It's been an interesting and eventful day. We'll maybe fill you in on the details later, but what is going to be our Thanksgiving feast?
Lasagna, which has been cooking all day.
Crock pot lasagna.
And Texas toast.
And Texas toast. Excellent. It smells amazing. How's everybody doing in the crew?
Doing good.
This guy's maxing and relaxing. How's this girl doing?
I just go over here with this fork.
Oh,
You what?
combing my hair with the fork?
Are you like the Little Mermaid?
Mhm.
Oh, weird.
And I got back from the ER.
Oh man, what happened?
Well, long
The
story short, Betsy got tangled up in her harness and I tried to help out. She bit me, had to get my thumb cleaned off and had to get a tetanus shot, and now I'm on some antibiotics, but I'm okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's been quite the Thanksgiving though.
Oh yeah, did she think your finger was a sausage?
No, she didn't know. It was an accident.
Hopefully that's our one and only ER visit this camping trip. We don't really like them. They're not that fun. We've been to Columbia Memorial a couple times out there in Astoria town. The one time was I got thrown down the hill from the Goonies house owners
Don't say that! Never say that! Goonies never say die!
because I was trespassing. But we won't go into those details. But we're having a good time. We're going to show you our spread here in a moment. It's going to be delicious. Guess what? Kiss cam.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving! We promised you a shot of our beautiful spread. Here we go. There's some crock pot lasagna, some veggies, some bread, some soda, some water, and most of all, family, meal, and love together.
And healthiness.
And healthiness. Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving!
Baby girl snuck away. We're going to see what she's up to. Well, hello!
Hi.
What are you doing?
What did make that in my bed?
Oh, did you make a little fort?
Mm-hmm.
Who owns this Snoopy blanket here?
It's for me.
It's for you? Oh my goodness.
It's mine.
Is it comfy? Who's that behind you? Who's the mascot of our trailer?
It's
There's
the-
Bear, but who's behind him? Your buddy. Is that Chewbacca back there? Can you show me Chewbacca? Oh, he's so scary. Oh man, she's got a good setup back here. Snoopy blanket, tablets, bears, lions and tigers. And look at this guy. How you doing, Dookie-Roo? Are you enjoying the Thanksgiving spirit? And this one, I don't know what to say about her. She's all sorts of rowdy. Okay, did everybody get enough?
Yes.
Oh man.
Let me see if I got enough. Yep.
Campfire and s'mores for Thanksgiving dessert.
Thanksgiving s'mores? Oh, what if we could devise like pumpkin pie s'mores? That would be cool. I don't know that it's possible.
Pie?
No, we just gotta
We
bake
already
it.
have pie.
We had.
We want to make this a yearly tradition, going camping during Thanksgiving. We're really liking it.
Yeah, this is a good campsite.
There's a lot
We-
of people that have actually brought like mini smokers and made turkey.
Oh, yeah,
it's kinda
we've-
funny.
We've seen all sorts of setups, so good times. And we're watching the Christmas Tree Network. It's my favorite. What day is it?
Saturday.
Saturday. Oh,
Friday.
Who knows
Black
what day
Friday.
it's Black Friday. Yes.
We're camping. We don't know what
the
day it
days
is.
kind of blend together. We've already taken a walk and we're gonna go explore the town a little bit. How's this baby doing?
Good. I just get you water.
Just drinking water? Well, that's a good thing. And how you doing?
Good. Haven't had to go to the ER yet today.
Well, the day is young. Okay, we've done a little Black Friday shopping. Now we're out here. We got some pizza. We're gonna enjoy the sunset on the beach.
Hi.
What do you guys think?
I love it.
You like the ocean cold feet?
Name, the people like,
Look at this girl. Is that too much fun? We're out here in Gerhardt, not too far from Seaside, and everybody's cold, but this one that is both shoeless, jacketless.
It's like 50 degrees out here. Probably lower.
It's
Like
pretty cold.
45.
What do you think, buddy? Is it cold enough for you? You having fun out here, Mama?
Yes, I love the ocean. It's so pretty. And sunset at the ocean. Who could ask for anything more?
It's hard to beat. Okay, we were venturing out, just driving around Seaside, and we saw a roadside Santa, so we're gonna go say hi to him.
They had to come see you. Oh, you want to tell them what you want? What do you want?
I want dinosaurs.
A dinosaur.
Oh my! Not hard to come by, but I'll try.
Thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa. Bye, Santa.
Evie, you got to see Santa. How was that? Did you guys tell him what you wanted?
No.
Did you tell him you got it in lumps of coal?
Yep. Say bye, Santa.
Bye, Santa.
Evie was able to see Santa Claus. That's so cool. Were you happy to see Santa Claus?
Yeah.
Did you tell him what you wanted for Christmas?
Yeah.
What did you want?
Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs?
What's his favorite type of cookie?
Chocolate chips.
Mint chocolate chip. She's up in Santa's ante with some mint chocolate chip talk. Our adventures are done for the day. We're gonna head back to camp. We officially have a new mascot / co-pilot for our trailer. And he is, dun dun dun, dun dun dun, big reveal, Baby Groot. He said he is Groot. I don't think the baby talks, I'm not positive though. But
I'm Groot.
he is our new trailer co-pilot. He looks over us, he guides us. He's kind of like the flying spaghetti monster. But he's in here, keeping it real. Our tradition is to get a sticker in any place we stay at. We got a cool Cannon Beach sticker. Let's see. Oh, very nice. That looks so cool.
Yeah.
Dang. The only one we don't have is from Grayland Beach. But
Oh, yeah.
that we'll say this one is Grayland Beach, the Life's an Adventure. How about that?
Sure.
Even better, guess what?
We got Oregon.
We have stayed in this in Washington, Idaho, and we're currently where?
Oregon.
We are in Oregon. And so, as a result, we get to add to our Washington State map. Or not Washington State, our United States travel map. And Mama's putting on Oregon. Woohoo!
There it is.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
That's awesome.
We got a whole bunch more to conquer.
Oh, you can only do it one at a time, so.
We'll get there.
It is our departure day, our final morning. We got Mama over here. She's making us some delicious bacon and pancakes. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Full bellies for the road.
Yes.
Pancakes and bacon is always like something we make for breakfast when we go camping. It's the best.
We're getting close to being wheels up. We're on schedule, and we're gonna head back to good old Washington from Oregontown. Duke had a great time. As you can see, he's very festive today
He's very scared.
and every day.
He's triggered by the fire.
He doesn't like the fire alarm that went off. He lost a whole crew of fellow firefighters when he was a past firefighter, and it was his fault. And so, anything fire related, he can't do. I know. I know. As always, we leave you with Baby Groot, sending us off on a safe voyage home.
Baby Groot says to subscribe to our channel.
Baby, if you don't subscribe to our channel, Baby Groot may become full-grown Groot, and who knows what'll happen. We're gonna hook this beast up and head on home. But thanks for joining us. And as always, if you like what we're doing, we'd like to do more of it. Show us a little love by subscribing, hitting that like button and the bell. Again, do it if nobody for nobody else. Baby Groot. We also explored the magnificent Haystack Rock during our camping trip. Make sure to check it out in an upcoming video.
Here we go. Leaving beautiful Cannon Beach to go home. We have about a 3.5 hour drive or so to go home. But we sure did love it here. And I think we're gonna make it back.
I think so. We better. Everything's hooked up right, so.
I mean,
make it back to this campground.
Oh, I thought you meant home. Okay.
Oh, well, we're not going on Forest Road 23.
yeah,
so
I was gonna say if we
hopefully we'll
dunk
survive.
on Forest Road 23, we'll be able
We'll
to
be
make
okay.
it.
Okay, that's good to know.